Hi guys, you're welcome to another simple video on the NeTech channel. In this next video, I'll be showing you how you can update all your apps installed via the Microsoft Store. Now, if you want to have your Microsoft Store apps updated, here is how to go about it. So the first step will be to launch the Microsoft Store app on your Windows device, and once the app has been launched, the next thing would be to click on downloads, and from here you can see a rundown of all the apps that you have installed on your Windows 11. Now you can see the apps that are having updates available at the moment. They are on top of the fold. You can just go ahead and click on update all, and that way the Microsoft Store is going to update all these apps that has updates available. Then another thing you can do is to click on check for updates. So what this does is to check updates on other apps that you have installed on your PC. So for apps that have updates available, it's going to go ahead and update those apps for you. So that's how to go about updating apps via the Microsoft Store. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.